Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be doing another DIY transformation, and it's this really beautiful velvet purple dress. So I bought this a few years back, and I thought it was about time to transform this into a baby doll top, and I'm going to add stuff to it, cut it, and make it all adorable. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so if you want to do the basting stitch, do it at the length of 4. Okay, so now I am done with both of the ruffled strips. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch them together like this, so then I could wrap it all around. Okay, I pinned all around the waist. Now I'm going to go ahead and stitch 1/4 all around and 1/4 on the straps. Okay, so that is all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and I sure enjoyed making this project and showing you kind of how I did it. And also don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I would greatly appreciate that. And have a great day, and see you in my next video. Bye.